is very warm, summer-like, and I'm forecasting to stay roasting until we get to around Friday when we have a little bit of a storm coming our way. Until then, though, 83 degrees currently in San Diego, winds about 13 miles per hour. So a very small breeze. However, I think it's only going to be for maybe 3 hours of the day, not really for a good chunk of the afternoon. Escondido also sitting at about 83 degrees, noticing your dew point in the 30s. So this is not extremely dry, but enough that you probably need your lotion if you head out the door. High pressure still in control, and none of it is bringing us all of the warmth, and it's not only for Southern California. Look at how high it pushes the jet stream all the way through Washington. So everyone along the West Coast dealing with temperatures probably about 10 to 15 degrees above the norm. We're starting to see a few clouds filter on through thanks to this low pressure system. That is going to be our cold storm. Going to have to wait a few days till it officially arrives in Southern California. But when it does, temperatures will sink down to seasonal, produce about a 20% chance of rain, and increase the winds even more. Until that storm gets here, though, you can just bake under the sun. By around 7 o'clock tonight, if you are lucky enough to head out to the Pirates game as they take on the Padres, looking at 72 to 76 degrees out over toward downtown, mostly clear conditions for you. Tomorrow morning, noticing the upper 50s for inland areas as well as right along the coastline. I think those temperatures could be a little bit cooler for inland spots. By the time we get to noon, the mid-80s yet again for you out over toward Lakeside and Poway, whereas the coast Encinitas already at 77 degrees, great for an ice cream stop. And then for your fast forwarding into Thursday, now noticing temperatures slowly starting to drop. Not a whole lot, maybe only by about 3 degrees, but we should see the cooler seasonal air arrive once we get to Friday. Heading into the waters, trying to cool off. Fair conditions for you surfers with your water temperature there about 60 to 63 degrees. 7-day forecast 80 for one more day, and then down into the 70s. Inland areas about 88 down to 72 on Friday. Let's look at your 7-day forecast.